Hi, this is Serenity, your South Florida real estate agent, and right now I am in South River community in Stuart. This is very unique community because it has access to St. Lucie River. Community has boat storage, and you have access to boat docks. So if you're into Florida living, it's retirement community, 55 and older. And let me show you the condo. They have several condos for sale right now. All are updated, the ones that I'm going to show you. So this unit is totally updated, renovated. You can see from the floors to kitchen cabinets, kitchen appliances, everything is redone. And even this little detail, how they put this little storage here, I like it. So this unit is listed for $249,000. Once again, it's in Stuart. Gated community, 55 and older, with the boat dock and boat storage. So if you want to live your Florida lifestyle after you turn 55, you're more than welcome to buy here. And there are several units available. You can get 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom units. The one that I'm showing is 2 bedroom. And they range all the way to 300,000, but this one is 249, and it's really nice. It's move-in ready. All you have to do is just close on the deal. Walk-in closet. This is master bedroom. Master bedroom and living room has access to this Florida room. As you can see, you have additional space here. Basically, if you want to make it a room for someone, you obviously can. So if you have any questions, reach out to me, 561-406-0717. And I also will make a video about the community, because community has so many amenities. Swimming pool, swimming pool, Bocce, tennis courts. What else? Obviously boat storage, bike storage, and the most important one is that has St. Lucie dock. So I will make a video about that as well. Thank you so much for watching.